to my YouTube channel. My name is Lizetta Bebo. If you're new here, karibu sana. Kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a big thumbs up. In today's video, I'm making dinner, a quick fix for dinner. So I'm using chicken, half a kg chicken, onions, red onions. I've used one big onion, 2 blended tomatoes, oil, 2 beef cubes, salt, and of course I'll be making rice as well. So I want to first boil the chicken. As the chicken is boiling, I'll also be boiling the rice. Once the chicken is cooked, I'll fry it and then take you through the process as we make this dinner. Kindly watch till the end and tell a friend to tell a friend. So let's boil the chicken, guys. Let's start off by boiling the chicken. You take your chicken, then you add some water. I love boiling my chicken with salt. Mix that up. And then you cover it. I'm going to boil this for like 20 minutes since it's improved kienyeji. It's not pure kienyeji, so it won't take much time to cook. So let's put our rice on the stove. Since our rice is almost 3/4 of this bowl, we are going to make 2 bowls of water. I don't wait for my water to boil. I'm using 3 tablespoons for the oil, 1 teaspoon for the salt. Another tip, guys, when you're making rice, make sure you stir it when you've already added the rice before it starts cooking. We're going to cover it. We're just going to leave it open, cook it open on low heat. So we're going to stir this. Make sure that it's on low heat. Let's check on our chicken. Make sure you keep stirring the chicken so that it doesn't cook on one side and then the other side is not well cooked. So it's always good to keep on stirring. Another tip, guys, when you're in the kitchen and you don't want your utensils to pile up on the sink, kindly make sure you wash and you clean as you go. Clean, wash the utensils as you go. Because once you're done cooking, you'll have a lot of utensils piling up on the sink. But if you do this, you wash and clean as you go, you won't have those much utensils on the sink. It's cooking on nicely. The chicken is now ready. The water is completely dried. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to fry my chicken. After that, I will now fry my onions and start cooking the stew that is. So let the pan heat first. Once it's heated, you add your oil and then you start putting your chicken. Our pan is now hot. We are going to add some oil. I'll be using 3 tablespoons of oil. As that cooks, we are going to use our sufuria that we have boiled our chicken in and put the onions in there. Until they are golden brown. And then we add in our tomatoes and our cubes. Let that cook and then we put in our chicken. Now let's check on our rice. Our rice is now ready, as you can see. This is what I was telling you. It comes out perfect. Stir. I'm going to add a little bit of water so that we can make a paste. Cover it and let it simmer for 5 more minutes. And don't forget to taste the salt. So our food is ready. I'm just going to serve it.